There was a civilization where humans were trained, not raised. From childhood, obedience was beaten into them. Pain was their teacher, fear was their lesson. They were taught to endure hunger, cold, and silence. Emotion was weakness, mercy was forbidden. They were shaped into weapons before they became men. This was not a prison, it was their culture. Individuality was erased for the survival of the state. This system created the most feared soldiers in history, but at a terrible cost: freedom. If you want to learn more about hidden realities, like and subscribe to my history channel.